In this tutorial, let me show you how to turn off two-step verification on Roblox. So first, you need to open your Roblox app in your device. Next, log into your Roblox account. You may need to solve the CAPTCHA that Roblox use for security purposes. Go complete it right. After successfully bypassing it, you may log in now in your account. Once logged in, click on the circle icon at the lower right corner to access more. Scroll down and find Settings and click on it. Under Settings, go find Security and click on it. And here, under two-step verification, find Email. To turn off two-step verification, toggle off the button next to your email. You'll receive a verification code via email again. Enter it and click on Verify. Now log out and try to log in again to test if the two-step verification has been successfully turned off. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.